2026 recorded snowfall for history. This estimated to make history. Over 2 feet of snow expected in upstate New York, the Albany, Schenectady area, Saratoga area. Visibility is approximately 50 feet away as the snow begins intensity towards the region. This is estimated by forecast over 2 feet of snow. Let's hope that's not the case. A state of emergency will be held on the following day. Today is Sunday, January 25th. Very treacherous to drive around the area as people are taking chances at this time. The snow has fallen about 5 inches so far, and it's not expected to be easing up soon. It's going to be a snowfall rapidly for 24 hours straight. The following day, let's say 30 hours, is going to be falling non-stop in the upstate region. This is what it's looked like, folks, very critically. I have to do this because, folks, I'm on the way to a rehab center, but not for me, but someone else. But at the same time, I must say that it's very treacherous, folks. If you have to stay away from the streets at this time or the roadway, stay away. It's Sunday. Many of you could pray at home if you don't need to go to church. As they say, God is here, there, and everywhere. Look at this, folks. The street is going to be all deserted soon because of the snowfall that's expected. So far, over 5 inches of snow already fell down on the ground, and imagine what 2 feet is going to be. 15 inches more as forecasted to make history for the upstate region. It's a snowstorm 2026 in upstate New York, including the entire upstate region, Schenectady, New York, Albany, Saratoga County, and as you move up northward towards the region, it's going to be into the Adirondacks. It's going to be more and more feet of snowfall. So, folks, just be careful at this time. Snowfall 2026 as people are trying to shovel out as much as they can, but it's going to be at least 5 times shoveling in this storm, because as you finish shoveling within 2 hours, you're going to have a couple of inches more on the ground. All right, so be careful, everyone. This is Snowfall 2026. Jim Boy's Kitchen is proudly bringing to you in a sad note that it's going to be a treacherous one, but in a happy note, I'm happy to be able to bring to you the snowstorm for 2026. As the roadways are getting deserted and filled up with snow, no place to drive your car, no place to move around. Emergency vehicle will have to start shoveling the snow and putting salt on the ground. Folks, be careful. Be careful. Look at that. Already 5-6 inches of snow non-stop as the snow keep coming down. As folks are beginning to shovel this, the plowing and shoveling the snow, much more. This is just the beginning, folks. More are expected, all right? More snowfall is expected to begin to 2 feet. Yeah. It's a very critical one here, folks. Snowstorm 2026 in the New York area. New York City has gotten about a foot of snow also. Got to understand. So, folks, be careful. This is upstate New York. Lots of snow, folks. And if you could see it clearly, it's coming down rapidly as the intensity will develop as it gets later on in the evening, all right? It's going to be more and more snow, nowhere to put the snow. It's going to be very treacherous to drive on the roadway. There will be no place to walk, so be careful. Stay away from the roadway if you can. It's a Sunday. Stay home if you can, if it's possible. Just do what you got to do importantly and go back home and chill out, all right? Because give emergency crews chances to operate on the roadways because it's very treacherous, folks. Until the next one, Jim Boy's Kitchen bring to you this update here. Please adhere to all rules and regulations according to the Snowfall 2026 and stay safe, everyone. Stay safe. Bye.